What if I told you that 5 years from now, you could wake up one morning, look in the mirror, and realize you've become the person you promised yourself you'd never be? Think about that for a second.
The dreams you once had, gone. The opportunities you were waiting for, gone. And the most painful part, you'll know exactly why it happened. Not because you weren't smart enough. Not because you weren't talented enough. Not because life was unfair. But because you waited. You kept saying, tomorrow. I'll start next week. I need more time. And while you were waiting, life kept moving. Every day, somebody started the business you were afraid to start. Every day, somebody became the person you wanted to become. And you stayed exactly where you were. Listen carefully. This video is not motivation. It's a warning. There are two versions of you. One version wants comfort, scroll, excuses. The other wants greatness, build, results. And by the end of this video, one of them is going to win. The question is, which version are you feeding today? If you're ready to stop wasting your life and start becoming the person you were meant to be, stay with me until the end. Because what you're about to hear might change the way you look at your future forever. Lesson 1. The most dangerous thing in the world.
Do you know what's more dangerous than failure? Drifting.
Waking up every day and repeating the same routine, same excuses, same habits, the same promises you'll never keep. Because failure hurts once, but regret hurts forever. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone with less talent than you is winning. Someone with fewer resources than you is building a better future. And their life changed. Not because they were special, because they started. The truth is simple. Your future is created by what you do today. Not tomorrow. Not next month. Today. Lesson 2. Your comfort zone is a beautiful prison. Most people never fail. They never even try, and spend their lives trapped inside a comfort zone. Every year you stay comfortable, you become a little weaker, less ambitious, and before you know it, you've traded your potential for convenience. Think about that. The life you want exists outside your comfort zone. The freedom you want, the success you want, the money you want. It's all waiting on the other side of fear. Lesson 3. Stop waiting to feel ready. Nobody feels ready. Not the entrepreneur, not the athlete, not the public speaker, not the person who changed their life. Readiness is a myth. Action creates readiness. Every successful person you've ever admired started before they felt prepared. They were scared, uncertain, and nervous. But they moved anyway. And that's what separated them from everyone else. You don't need more confidence. You need more courage. Confidence comes later. After the work. After the struggle. After the first step. Lesson 3. Stop waiting to feel ready. Nobody feels ready. Not the entrepreneur, not the athlete, not the public speaker, not the person who changed their life. Readiness is a myth. Action creates readiness. Every successful person you've ever admired started before they felt prepared. They were scared, uncertain, nervous, but they moved anyway. And that's what separated them from everyone else. Every successful person you've ever admired started before they felt prepared. They were scared, uncertain, nervous, but they moved anyway. And that's what separated them from everyone else. Before you leave, I want you to make a promise. Not to me, to yourself.
When this video ends, take one action. One phone call. One page. One workout. One English conversation. one step. Because your future isn't built tomorrow. It's built today. And if you're serious about becoming stronger, smarter, and more successful every single day,
hit subscribe and join this journey with us. Your future self is watching. Make sure you don't disappoint them.